Hello everyone, welcome back to the Deutsch Lernen TV. Today we are going to learn how to make sentences. Wie man Sätze macht. Before we move to the lesson, we should remind this. This is the summary table in the lesson 3.1 on how to use pronouns, definite and indefinite articles to the nouns according to its gender. Hope you remember this table. This is the table we have already learned in the lesson 2.1, the pronomen, the pronouns. Hope you remember this table too. Remember that we use do or ear for family members or to close friends. Do for singular and ear for plural. We use see for you in formal language for both singular and plural forms. Here formal means to address strangers or business associates, etc. Okay, now let's go to our lesson. Today we are going to make sentences using the verb sein. In English it is to be. These are the new words we are going to learn today. Die neuen Wörter. Sehr, very. Schön, beautiful. Und, and. In, Alt, old. Here, here. Frau, Mrs. As well as woman. Herr, Mr. Also gentleman. Die Nummer or die Zahl, the number. This is how the verb sein is used with the singular pronouns. Sein mit die Singular Pronomen. For the pronoun ich, the form of sein is bin. Ich bin, I am. For the pronoun du, the form of sein is bist. Du bist, you are. For the pronoun sie, the form of sein is sind. Sie sind, you are. For the pronouns sie and es, the form of sein is ist. Ist, he is. Sie ist, she is. Es ist, it is. Let's see some examples using the verb sein with the singular pronouns. Beispiele, examples. Ich bin Christine, I am Christine. Du bist 21 Jahre alt, you are 21 years old. Sie sind Frau Müller, you are Mrs. Müller. Ist in Berlin, he is in Berlin. Sie ist die Nachbarin, she is the neighbor. Es ist ein Ei, it is an egg. Now let's see how to use the verb sein with the plural pronouns. Sein mit die Pluralpronomen. For the pronoun wir, the form of sein is sind. Wir sind, we are. For the pronoun ihr, the form of sein is seid. Ihr seid, you are. For the pronoun sie, the form of sein is sind. Sie sind, you are or they are. Let's see some examples using the verb sein with the plural pronouns. Wir sind Freunde, we are friends. Ihr seid die Kinder, you are children. Sie sind Jugendliche, you are teenagers. Sie sind Mädchen, they are girls. This is a summary of how the verb sein is used for the pronouns. This is very important to remember. Ich bin, I am. Du bist, you are. Ist, sie ist or es ist. He is, she is or it is. Wir sind, we are. Ihr seid, you are. Sie sind, they are or you are. Andere Beispiele. Here are some other examples without using a pronoun, how the verb sein is used. Hope you remember our vocabulary lessons on the food and drinks, the time, the people, and also the lesson number 4, the numbers. 28 ist eine Zahl. 28 is a number. April ist ein Monat. April is a month. Peter und Chris sind Freunde. Peter and Chris are friends. Die Erdbeere ist eine Frucht. The strawberry is a fruit. Heute ist Donnerstag. Today is Thursday. Lisa ist sehr schön. Lisa is very beautiful. Now it's your turn to make some sentences using the verb sein. Take a paper and write down these English sentences. There are 12. Then pause the video, take few minutes and try to translate. Okay, here are the answers. Check whether you are correct. I am Emil. Ich bin Emil. You are a boy. Sie sind ein Junge. Or du bist ein Junge. Wir cousins. Wir sind Cousinen. They are relations. Sie sind Verwandte. He is Mr. Schmidt. Er ist Herr Schmidt. Here is the clock. Here is die Uhr. 11 is a number. 11 ist eine Nummer. Or 11 ist eine Zahl. She is 12 years old. Sie ist 12 Jahre alt. Maria and Anna are sisters. Maria und Anna sind Schwestern. The carrot is a vegetable. Die Karotte ist ein Gemüse. Tomorrow is Friday. Morgen ist Freitag. Autumn and summer are seasons. Herbst und Sommer sind Jahreszeit. Hope you understand how to make sentences using the verb sein. From the next video, we'll learn some common verbs. Then we can learn to make sentences using those verbs too. Danke! Thanks for watching. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe the channel for more videos. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. Tschüss, auf Wiedersehen.